Okay, food lovers, let's get to work on some great meal prep. Chop up some fresh garlic, dice up some onions. If you have bell peppers laying around, chop those up as well and add them in. Let's get them sauteed up in some olive oil. Add in a dash of salt and pepper. Once those are done cooking, set those aside so we can go ahead and add our ground beef into that pan. A little bit more salt and pepper, and let's cook this up. Once it's ready, we'll go ahead and add back in those cooked vegetables along with some pre-cooked chopped bacon. Now time for our secret spice. A little bit more salt, pepper, now coriander, cumin, and a dash of cinnamon. Give that a really good mix. Add that in. Coat everything really well and then mix it up. Now to make this even a little bit healthier for our meal prep tonight, we're adding in some fresh spinach. We'll give that a good mix. Now this can be used for dinner, lunch, snacks, tacos, burritos, beef patties, so many different options for food lovers. Go ahead and use this easy recipe to spice up your food. And also remember, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Boom!